Hey folks! If you only knew how hard it was for me to say this word, parquetry. There, I got it. It's the parquetry mold, and this is I Love Springerle. This is a beautiful mold. It makes wonderful little Springerle cookies, but today I'm using a soft honey spice cookie recipe that I will show more at the end here. You'll have that. A couple of things about this recipe. It's very important to have your cookies set on the cookie sheet in the refrigerator for 2 hours before you place them in a preheated oven. And another thing is that the flavor is really important, and it comes from several things. One is the honey, and I'd like to mention that flowered honey is going to be more flavorful. Also, if you use unbleached flour, that's great, but also try to find a heritage grain, like mix a little spelt or amaranth in there, and that's gonna add even more flavor to the cookies. With the spices, there's ginger, cinnamon, cardamom, clove, and nutmeg, and that's what makes these really good and spicy. However, if you wanted to add a little white pepper or cayenne pepper, I think that would also really give them a little bit of a kick. So gather your ingredients. When you roll out the dough, you're going to want that to be 1/2 inch thick, and then when you do the pressing, flour your mold, and that's going to squash those down to about 1/4 inch thick, and that's just fine because these are thinner. So here comes the recipe. I'm gonna sign off, but thanks for watching, and I really appreciate it. And until next time, many more fun recipes and cookie molds to view, and have the most wonderful day.